Hi friends, welcome to my channel. For more Python tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about how to find operating system name, platform and platform release date. Okay, first open the Python terminal. First of all, I am going to show you the operating system name. For that, we have to import the OS module. Import OS. Then type os.name. It prints POSIX. POSIX stands for Portable Operating System Interface for Unix, and all Unix based operating systems like Ubuntu and Debian etc. support to this interface. Next, I am going to show you the platform name. For that, we have to import the module platform. Okay, then type platform.system. Okay, it prints Linux. The platform is Linux. Next, I am going to show you the release date, platform release date. For that, we have to import the module platform. We already import the module platform here. Then just type platform.release. Okay, it prints this 3.16.0-30-generic. And if you want to know all these details in one simple command, then please type platform.platform. Okay, all the details you can see here in this simple command. Okay, hope you get how to find OS name, platform and platform release date through this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.